Hi, Carlos. Let's go ahead and work on one-step equations. These are word problems, but as soon as you see me type them out, you'll be able to see how to solve them. Number one, Natalie buys organic almonds priced at $77 from the grocery store. How much did she pay the cashier if she received $23 in change? Let's read that again. Natalie buys organic almonds priced at $77 from the grocery store. How much did she pay the cashier? They don't know how much she paid the cashier if she received $23 in change. So Natalie buys almonds that are $77, right? How much did she pay the cashier if she received $23 in change, okay? So we know that it equals $23. That's how much the cashier gave her. We know that the almonds were $77. But how much did she pay the cashier? So since we don't know how much she paid the cashier, we're going to call this number X. We're going to solve for X. And X minus 77, because that's how money was taken from her when she gave it to the cashier, right? So this dollar, or not dollar bill, this money minus 77, because mind you, this is how much she gave to the cashier, but we haven't figured out how much yet. X take away $77, because that's how much it was, equals 23. Okay, so do you remember how I said we use the opposite operation? So what's the opposite of subtraction? Adding. So what we have to do is add, to draw, is add 77 on this side, okay? So let me make it over here, 23. 23, what is happening? 23 plus 77. You probably got this done before me already, didn't you, Carlos? 7 plus 3 equals 10. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Again. Okay. So X equals 100. So here's what the problem should look like. 100 minus 77 equals 23, okay? Now let's look at number 2. Laura and May participated in a quiz contest. They scored 23 points in all. If Laura scored 9 points, how many points did May score? So here again, they scored 23 points. We know that this is our equal sign. Scored 23 points. If Laura scored 9 points, how many points did May score? This X represents May's score. We don't know, okay? So what we're going to do is add, because Laura's points 9 plus May's points equals 23, okay? Remember that. Laura's points, which are 9, plus May's score, which we don't know, equals 23. So again, whatever this symbol tells us to do, we're going to do the opposite, and the opposite is subtraction. So we're going to subtract 9. All right. So we have 3, take away 9. Do we have enough to take away 9? We do not. So we have to go over to the 2, borrow. 2 is now a 1. The 13 is now, the 3 is now a 13, I'm sorry. So 13 take away 9 is what? That's right, 4. 1 take away nothing is 1. So May X equals 14. Now remember, Carlos, what we said to check it? In order to check it, we have to add to see if it's true. So 14 plus 9 should equal 23. And if it doesn't equal 23, we got this wrong, Carlos, and we got to redo it. So 9 plus 4 is, that's right, 13. 1 plus 1 is 2, 23. Good job, Carlos. Go ahead and complete the rest. See you soon. Bye.